Kanina ay nakausap po namin si Mar Valbuena at sinasabi niya ay doon sila sa consolidation talaga tumatanggi. Nakapag-modernize daw po sila ng mga jeep na hindi kailangan galing China. Mas mura daw po ito, hindi nila kinailangang mangutang. Ano ho ang take nyo dito? Will there be any consideration?
Cheryl, on the issue of consolidation, ang issue dyan is fleet management. Kaya nire-require namin yung mga operators ng isang rota na magsama-sama po for an effective management of the transport system. Case in point, Cheryl, ang dami mong nakikitang jeep, except on rush hour sa bakante, walang laman, 2, 3 lang. Bakit? Dahil nagkakanya-kanya sila. Ngayon, if an effective fleet management, dapat ang laman yan 8, 9, 10 para lumaki ang kita nila. That is one of the reasons. Plus, of course, less traffic. So, on the issue naman ng pagbili ng sasakyan, wala ho kaming ini-endorse na company who is selling cars. Number 2, we are not even telling the operators na bumili sila ng sasakyan. Ang sinasabi lang po namin, organize yourselves into a cooperative for effective fleet management. Tuturuan pa po namin sila later on kung paano po yung efficient na pagmamanage ng mga sasakyan pampubliko. So, buying of modernized vehicles is still out of the question. In fact, after 3 years pa ho namin i-require yan.